Namaskaram. Today's video is going to be slightly different because we're going to dive into a little bit of theory. I'm shooting outside today in the terrace, as you can see, because I'm not able to shoot inside my house at the moment. So please bear with me because of all the sounds and distractions. I'll try my best to be as audible as possible. So recently I had got a comment in one of my videos asking if I could explain the theory behind alarippu and how the chollikattu and the notations for alarippu. So I thought, why not I make a theory video for it, explaining it. So before we get into alarippu, I would like to explain a couple of concepts which will make you understand the theory and the chollikattu and how to tell an alarippu in a better way. So for that we'll do a couple of concepts today. So this will be the part 1 video. So where do we start? We are going to start with a concept called Angaas. What is the literal translation of Anga or Ang? Means body part, right? So we are going to start with Angaas of a talam. So what are the Angaas of a talam or the parts of a talam? The first one is called lagu. Lagu is when you tap and count your fingers. Okay? Anudhritam is just a tap. And dhritam is a tap and a flip. So parts of a talam are lagu, whatever number of counts, dhritam and anudhritam. Now, when I say the number of fingers you count in a lagu, that varies from talam to talam. And the number of dhritams and number of anudhritams, all these different permutations and combinations are what forms different kinds of talams. Now, we would have heard these words in just saying Tishram, Tishra Jati, Chaturashram. No, that is Kandam. Oh no, I think this is Mishram. So what are these words and how does that connect with a talam? Now we are going to see a concept called Jati. Before that, a basic understanding. Tishram means 3, Chaturashram means 4, Khandam means 5, Mishram means 7 and Sankirnam means 9. Okay? Now, Jati is the number of fingers that we count in the lagu. For example, if I say the talam is Tishra Jati, it means 1, 2, 3. If I say it is Chaturashra Jati, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. The counting of fingers starts from the tap. So a Kanda Jati means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the Mishra Jati is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sankirna Jati 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The third concept which we have to get familiar with is Gati. Now what is Gati? Jati, we know we are going to count the fingers, right? Now what is the measure, what is the time interval between, now I tap this, and what is, how long do I take to tap the second, and how long do I take to tap the third? So this time difference is called the Gati. Okay? So this measure between 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 and so on is called the Gati. Now, Tishra Gati means I'm going to give a gap of 3, right? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Chaturashra Gati, gap of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and so on. Now I will not say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going to say in the dance syllable. Just takita takadimi. Okay, so a Tishra Gati is going to be takita, 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 takita. A Chaturashra Gati is going to be takadimi, 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 takadimi. You got it? So between 1 and 2, we are leaving a gap of 4. Between 1 and 2, if we have to leave a gap of 5, it is taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, and so on. Quiz time. Now, what if I say put Tishra Jati in Khanda Gati. Tishra Jati means count of 3 fingers. Khanda Gati means gap of 5. So, takatakita, 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 takatakita. Now, we are only talking about Jati and Gati. We are not talking about what talam it is. That will come later. So, right now I am putting only Lagu. Okay? Next question. Chaturashra Jati in Mishra Gati, which means count is 4, measure is 7. Okay? Takita takadimi, 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 takita takadimi. Understood? So Jati is the count of fingers which will categorize a talam, and Gati is the measure between one action and another action. Understood? This is our part 1. Come back to part 2 to understand Tishra alarippu and the theory behind that and how to notate and recite it. Namaste.